Looking for the best budget graphics cards to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. GIGABYTE RX 9060 XT Gaming OC. If you want high-end 1080p performance without busting the $300 mark, the GIGABYTE RX 9060 XT Gaming OC is an excellent option at right around $280. GIGABYTE's WindForce cooler, dual 90mm fans with alternate spin design, tames the card's 160W draw, so even a 450W PSU can handle it. It comes with a core clock rate of 2780 MHz and the card will boost up to 3320 MHz. While the 8GB of GDDR6 VRAM isn't ideal, it's still enough to max out most games at 1080p resolution and even push medium/high settings in a lot of games at 1440p resolution. And, while AMD's upscaling technology isn't as good as Nvidia's, the new FSR4 will help boost the frame rate in those titles that do challenge the limited VRAM. At this price point, this card outperforms most sub-$300 competitors, making it one of the best budget graphics card options right now. Number 2. Piney RTX 5060 OC. Priced at just under $300, the PNY GeForce RTX 5060 OC delivers NVIDIA's DLSS 4 and ray tracing perks on a tight budget. This card operates at a core clock of 2280 MHz and can boost up to 2535 MHz. Its compact dual fan design helps PNY's RTX 5060 measure in at just 200mm long, making it a great option for a small form factor build. And, with a minimum PSU requirement of 550W, you won't have to spend a ton of money on a power supply to handle this card. The card also does come with a disappointing 8GB of VRAM, but it should still handle most games at max settings at 1080p resolution, and with DLSS 4 it will bridge the gap and exceed the raw performance advantage that the 9060 XT 8GB has in a lot of titles. Ultimately, if you want Nvidia's feature set without having to drop a ton of money, this RTX 5060 from PNY is a great sub-$300 graphics card option. Number 3. Sparkle ARC B580 Titan OC. Just above our $300 cutoff at $320, the Sparkle ARC B580 Titan OC is a stretch-your-budget option. Its triple-fan torn cooling 2.0 system should deliver excellent thermal, and the recommended 600-watt power supply is fairly tame. A factory overclock pushes the boost clock on this card to 2740 MHz, and 12GB of GDDR6 VRAM helps the B580 compete with and surpass the 9060 XT 8GB and RTX 5060 in many titles. You'll also get CSS upscaling and AV1 encode for streaming. Ultimately, if you're playing games where having that extra 4GB of VRAM will matter, Sparkle's ARC B580 Titan OC might be the best option for you. And, if you can't go over $300, then the ARC B570 listed below might be the next best alternative. Number 4. Sparkle ARC B570 Guardian OC. At approximately $260, the Sparkle ARC B570 Guardian OC is the most wallet-friendly ARC battlemage option currently available. Its dual 90mm fans should keep temperatures in check, and its minimum 600-watt power supply rating won't be expensive to accommodate. With a 2660 MHz boost clock, 10GB GDDR6, CSS, and AV1 support, it punches above its $250 weight class. In best supported titles where the extra VRAM comes into play, it can even rival the RX 9060 XT 8GB and RTX 5060. Ultimately, its $260 price tag doesn't make it that much cheaper than an RX 9060 XT 8GB, so it's currently a tough sell. However, if you need that extra VRAM, or if the price were to come down a bit, it would be an excellent option. Number 5. ASRock RX 6600 Challenger. Typically priced in the low $200s, the ASRock RX 6600 Challenger is a good choice for gamers looking for solid 1080p performance. The card is very power efficient and only requires a 500-watt power supply, making it a cheap option to drop into older systems. The RX 6600 Challenger comes with a core clock of 1626 MHz and it can boost up to 2491 MHz. The card does only come with 8GB of VRAM, but considering that the cheaper alternatives all have either 6GB or 4GB of VRAM, the 8GB of VRAM this card comes with doesn't seem bad for its price tag. In the end, if you have around $200 to spend on a graphics card, and you're just looking for something that can handle games at 1080p resolution, the ASRock RX 6600 Challenger is an option you'll want to consider. But, this is getting into the price range where you might want to check the used GPU market instead, as you'll likely be able to find something much more powerful.